my life story through a pencil. My life is like a compass. It helps me find me direction, even when I feel lost. Sometimes I don't always know where to go, but little by little, I learn to draw my own circle of possibilities. Along the way, I meet challenges that act as a sharpener. They may hurt or take away parts of me, but they shape me to become sharper, stronger, and better than before. Like a pencil, I realize I am not perfect. I can make mistakes, but I can also erase, change, and keep trying until I improve. There are times I feel like I might break under pressure, but even broke pencils can still write in the same way. I can still continue my journey no matter how difficult things get. And in the end, I keep on writing my story page by page, day by day, knowing that every line, every mark is a part of who I am becoming.